If you're looking forward to seeing Christian Craig in Arlington, sadly, he's not going to be racing, saying today on his Instagram, quote, "Bummed to say I'll be missing the race today in Dallas. I've been dealing with elbow pain that's progressively getting worse since the season started. I've tried to push through it, but unfortunately it's to the point where I can't hang on after a few laps. Going to get some scans done and see what's going on." So technically, or at least for me, that sounds like this isn't a one race thing. This is going to be a either season long thing or he's going to be missing a ton of time, which sucks because he finally gets his 450 factory ride, his big boy bike, everything he's been trying for the last 12, 15 years, and ever since he's gotten on this Husky, it's just been bad. The injury last year to his arm that cost him most of the year. Now this, it's just it sucks. He gets his finally gets his chance for a full ride, get a 2-year contract, and then sucks to see. I really like Christian Craig. I was happy when he won his 250 contract or when he won his 250 championship, and I was really excited for him to see in the 450. And I thought, legitimately he could have been a contender, top fives, you know, podium racer. But if you're going to be injured all the time, and granted that bike doesn't look very good either. Neither him nor Mookie look like they're really impressed with it. Let's put it that way. But I don't know. It's sad to see. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, are you excited for Arlington? Obviously, this is the military appreciation night, so all the bikes have the special graphics, and you get a bunch of fun kits and everything. But who do you think wins? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.